Here I have VIVO IQOO U3, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you should go to the system section, then to the languages and input, on-screen keyboard, Gboard, languages, add keyboard. So here you can see the whole list of the available keyboard languages. As you can see, it's pretty long. You have a lot of choices here. So I'm gonna pick, as usual, Greek. And now let's try to write something down in Greek language. And as you can see, so to change keyboard language, tap on this globe icon and language will change automatically. And as you can see, now I have Greek layout here on my keyboard, and now I can type just like ancient Greek philosopher. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.